Now let's create a new quiz. You can put in a name and a description for the quiz. You can select if you want it shown in the quick rounds, how many attempts are allowed, which grading scale you want to use, if you want the grade to be shown in percentage or not. The timeout is a limit you can set up, so it's not possible to retake the quiz during this timeout. You are able to randomize the questions shown in the quiz. You are able to upload a certificate, so the student will be able to have a certificate when passing the quiz, and you are able to schedule when and how you want this quiz to be shown and published. Now let's take a look at this demo quiz with some silly questions in. We are notified we want to begin to take an attempt for this quiz and press the next button. We have a timer running in the top and the score is shown. Here we have some of the different question types. We have ordered the items. We can put in some text. We have a true and false without using the branching function. We have the multiple choice question type. We have the put in an integer or a text into a text box to get the points. We have the question type where we can have more than one correct. We have the hotspot, selecting the correct area on an image. And we of course also have the drag and drop.